Kev G weather overview, starting you off with the Saturday morning low temperatures. This is what you're going to wake up to on Saturday morning with highs around freezing along the coast. Not quite to freezing, but some areas along the immediate coast will see freezing temps. But look at inland. I mean, this is some serious winter cold. Teens and 20s for most of the Hudson Valley. And this is the first hard freeze for a lot of areas south of Albany, anyway. And this is for Saturday morning in what will be a chilly, very chilly Halloween day. Temperatures will be rebounding during the day on Saturday, but they'll be getting into the upper 40s, low 50s, and it'll be breezy. So keep that in mind if you're going out and about. And for the rainfall, which precedes the chill, this comes in Thursday late morning, I would say, and then we get a good dose of rain on Thursday with the remnants of Hurricane Zeta. And then on Friday, we'll have another round of rain, a little bit lighter, but still adding on to much needed rain across the tri state area and for southern New England, where they have a bad drought there. So much needed rain on the way, lesser amounts as you go north of the tri state area. So a good dosing on the way. Now, with Zeta, this hurricane is going to hit Louisiana probably as a minimal hurricane. Louisiana has gotten a crazy amount of storms this year in what has been a hyperactive hurricane season. So this is the weather map for tomorrow afternoon, early afternoon. You could see that the approach of the hurricane into the greater New Orleans metropolitan area. And this storm will move up into the Mississippi Valley, and as it does so, it's going to weaken considerably. We're not dealing with a powerhouse storm, thankfully, but what this is going to do is it's going to spread rain our way, and this rain will be on our doorstep probably by early Thursday morning, but the heavier rain comes from about 10, 11 o'clock Thursday through much of the day, and it gets heavy at times. We'll probably pick up the lion's share of the rain on Thursday with 1 to 2 inches a good bet, and then maybe a small break before more rain moves in for Friday morning. So definitely a soggy end to the week. And as this second area of low pressure starts to intensify, it's going to bring snow down through the Hudson Valley for Friday morning into Friday afternoon. And there could be several inches of snow for points north and west of the city, particularly in the higher elevations. Down towards the city and Long Island and coastal Connecticut, you may see a few flakes, but the bulk of the snow will stay north of the tri-state area, and then it sets us up for a very chilly weekend as this low pressure moves away. But it's still a bit breezy here for Friday afternoon, Friday night, but then Saturday, with high pressure almost directly overhead, that's why we're going to get so cold for Saturday morning low temps, and then we set ourselves up for a good weekend before another quick shot of rain moves in for late Sunday night into Monday. And then looking ahead, Monday looks chilly, and we're setting ourselves up for a very calm looking election day weather-wise. Not a lot of trouble around the country, so it should be in fine shape for getting out to the polls. Now, with respect to the temperatures, we have tomorrow. We are going to see some rain overnight tonight. I would be neglecting that. I would be remiss if I neglected that, of course. So we will see some rain overnight, but then most of the day, Wednesday, is just socked in with clouds with highs around 60. Thursday, that's where we take our temperatures down as we start to get raw and rainy with temperatures not really getting above 60 and a heavy rain for Thursday into Thursday night. Friday, look at these temperatures. They start to come down. We might see mid-50s in the morning for highs, but then we come crashing down. And for Halloween on Saturday, it's only as good as about upper 40s, low 50s around the area with solid 40s in the Hudson Valley. Don't forget to switch your clocks back Saturday night into Sunday. We bump up the temperatures a little bit on Sunday, and then we have that quick shot of cold air advection and some rain maybe Sunday night into Monday. And then Monday, our highs don't get much above 50.